weird things I've been paid to do on the internet. Let's see. I've been paid to make a mud puddle, find condiments that could be wearable and wear them, sneeze. The sneeze guys are real interesting to me. Wear a night guard, like in my mouth, like a night guard, like so I don't grind my teeth. Let me see if I've got it. I have been paid to wear my night guard and talk with a lisp. So the possibilities are endless. I haven't been able to figure out hiccup videos because every time I get the hiccups and then I try to record it, they go away. So frustrating. Other than that, I want to try burping videos. That's also a thing. I just need to like grab a soda and I'm sure I can make that happen. So anyway, weird things I have done on the internet.